Folding clothes correctly is not just about appearances. It is about respecting your belongings and creating a sense of calm in your living space. Each fold is an opportunity to show gratitude for your clothes and their purpose. When you fold with care, you infuse your wardrobe with positive energy. Proper folding prevents wrinkles and creases, keeping your clothes looking their best. It also maximizes space, allowing you to store more items neatly in your drawers and shelves. This organized approach saves time and effort when searching for specific items. Beyond the practical benefits, folding correctly has a profound impact on our well-being. A tidy wardrobe promotes a sense of peace and reduces feelings of overwhelm. It allows us to start and end our days with a sense of control and intention. Ultimately, the joy of correct folding lies in the transformative power of mindful organization. It is an act of self-care that extends beyond our wardrobes and into our lives. T-shirts can easily become wrinkled and lose their shape if not folded properly. The KonMari method trademark offers a simple yet effective technique for folding T-shirts to maintain their quality and maximize storage space. Lay the T-shirt flat on a surface with the front facing down. Fold one side of the T-shirt towards the center, aligning the sleeve with the bottom edge. Repeat on the other side, creating a long rectangle. Fold the bottom edge of the rectangle upwards about a third of the way up the shirt. Fold the top edge down to meet the bottom fold, creating a smaller rectangle. Fold the rectangle in half again, tucking the top flap behind the bottom to create a compact self-standing rectangle. This method creates crisp folds and prevents wrinkles while allowing the T-shirt to stand upright in drawers for easy visibility and access. Jeans with their sturdy fabric and multiple seams require a slightly different approach to folding than T-shirts. The goal is to create flat, compact folds that maintain the shape of the jeans and minimize creasing. Start by laying the jeans flat on a surface with the back pockets facing up. Fold one leg over the other, aligning the seams. Smooth out any wrinkles or bunching. Fold the jeans in half lengthwise, bringing the waistband to the bottom hems. Fold the jeans in half again, bringing the bottom edge up to meet the waistband. Smooth out any remaining wrinkles. This method creates a compact rectangle that can be stored upright in drawers or stacked on shelves without creasing the denim. Section 4. Towels, socks and underwear. Small items, big impact. Even small items like towels, socks and underwear deserve mindful folding. By applying the KonMari method trademark, you can transform these everyday essentials into neatly organized and easily accessible items. For towels, fold them in half lengthwise and then in half or thirds again, depending on their size. Fold them one last time to create a compact rectangle. For socks, pair them together and fold them in half or roll them into a ball. For underwear, fold them in half or thirds, depending on their size, and then roll them or fold them into a small square. By folding these smaller items with the same care and attention as larger garments, you maintain a sense of order and intention throughout your wardrobe. Section 5. Benefits beyond neatness, preserving your clothes. Proper folding does more than just create a visually appealing wardrobe. It also plays a crucial role in preserving the quality and extending the lifespan of your clothes. When you fold your clothes correctly, you minimize stress on the fabric, preventing wrinkles and creases that can weaken the fibers over time. This is particularly important for delicate fabrics like silk, lace and linen, which are more susceptible to damage. Moreover, storing your clothes properly allows for better air circulation, preventing musty odors and mildew growth. This is especially important for items stored in drawers or closets for extended periods. By adopting mindful folding practices, you not only keep your wardrobe organized, but also invest in the longevity of your cherished belongings. Section 6. Creating a lasting wardrobe sanctuary. Mastering the art of clothes folding is an act of self-care and a celebration of the belongings that spark joy in our lives. By implementing the KonMari method trademark, we can transform our wardrobes from chaotic spaces into serene sanctuaries. Remember, folding is not merely a chore, but an opportunity to cultivate mindfulness and gratitude. As you fold each garment, take a moment to appreciate its purpose and how it makes you feel. This mindful approach elevates the act of folding into a ritual of self-care. By embracing the principles of mindful organization, we create a ripple effect that extends beyond our wardrobes and into all aspects of our lives. The joy of order becomes a guiding principle, empowering us to live with intention and create a fulfilling life surrounded by the things that truly spark joy.